We are going to discuss about the functional programming. In functional programming, there are important concepts called the lambda, map, filter, reduce. We are going to see one by one. In this video, I'm going to cover only what is lambda and how it is different from the defined function. Okay, that is a regular function. And for this, we are going to take an example of doubling a number. So I'm also taking the same example in my Jupyter notebook where I'm going to delete this function where by clicking dd. Okay, and now I'm going to mark it as a markdown. So by running this, okay, and doubling a number in define function, we are going to take define double of a. What we want is a into a, right? So this is what going to return. Okay, now let's take a number called. Now we are taking the result. We are going to calling this double function for our number. I'm going to call the double function for 5. Okay, I have defined the result. Now the result going to be the 5 going to be replace a. So 5 into 5, 25. So we should get the result as 25. Double is not defined. Okay, I missed the earlier. Okay, 25. This is how we are doubling the number using the defined functions. So let me do with the lambda function. Hmm, lambda. Okay, lambda. Where you will use argument and expressions. So argument is going to be a colon and the expression is going to be a into a. Okay, now we are going to take the result of the lambda function. Now we are going calling the lambda function for 5 again. Now we are going to get the result 2, which let's take result 2. Invalid syntax lambda 5. What's the problem here? Result equal to double the 5. Okay, so the lambda function you have to put it in the variable. Now I'm putting the double lambda. Okay, so using the double lambda, we are going to print the result equal to lambda. Okay, now result going to be yes. Hope you know understand the mistake I have done. Yeah. So in the variable called double lambda, we have inputted the function called lambda. Now we are going to call the a double lambda which contains the lambda functions with these arguments and expression. Now so this is the difference between define function and lambda function. Define function is actually it will take more than one line or two line sometimes, but lambda is going to use in a single line operations. So that's what my understanding from the define functions and lambda function. So in next video we will check about the map. Okay.